On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don land for Addis Ababa. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don land for Addis Ababa for Ethiopia until the 33rd Ordinary Session of Heads of State and Government for African Union (AU). As Presido Buhari lands for the airport of Addis Ababa, now Ethiopia Prime Minister plus other ogbonge people for Ethiopian government come salute and welcome Presido Buhari and other people wey follow Presido Buhari until the 33rd Ordinary Session of Heads of States and Government of African Union wey dem theme Silencing the Guns, Creating Conducive Conditions for African Environment. Senior Special Assistant to Presido Muhammadu Buhari on top media, Shele, come tell Tori people wetin the summit dey about.
The objective of silencing of the guns is to rid Africa of all violent conflicts, of genocide, of wars, and terrorism. So are we there? Has this been achieved? This summit is supposed to evaluate, to assess progress that has been made and to determine whether deadlines would be retained or extended.
Make una sabi say Presido Buhari go still waka go the 29th Forum of African Peer Review Mechanism and the 27th session of New Partnership for African Development. Presido Buhari go deliver ogbonge speech on top Unstruck the War on Children, and this one go follow for silencing the guns wey Niger government, Ugandan government and Norway government dey sponsor.
So the expectations are enormous. When he talks to the Ethiopians, it is hoped that we are going to strengthen bilateral relations and reinforce cooperation in areas that are of common interest to our own countries. There will be a signature on a number of memoranda of understanding, including one that will allow visa-free travel for holders of diplomatic and official passports. There will be a defense agreement or MOU on defense agreement. There will also be agreement on culture and tourism that will be signed between our own countries.
Presido Buhari go still do ogbonge meetings with the other Presido dem on top AU summit. Now so we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Niger Presido don land for Addis Ababa until the 33rd Ordinary Session of Heads of State and Government of African Union. Make una know say na T Live Media and I carry this ogbonge informate come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.